Almost every car owner has a can of WD-40. But here's the problem. Most people only use it for squeaky hinges, while completely missing the car tricks that could save them hundreds of dollars. That's like buying a smartphone just to make phone calls. Meanwhile, experienced mechanics and professional detailers use WD-40 in simple ways that help remove stubborn grime, slow down rust, protect important metal parts, and make cleaning your car much easier. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 hidden WD-40 car tricks that most drivers never think about, starting with an easy trick almost everyone overlooks. And don't miss tricks number 8 and number 7. They're the two tricks that can make the biggest difference if you want your car to stay in great condition without spending extra money. Let's get started. Trick number 10. Remove sticky tree sap and road tar. Have you ever parked your car under a tree and later noticed sticky sap on the paint? Or maybe you've driven on a freshly repaired road and found black tar stuck around your doors and wheel arches. At first, it doesn't seem like a big problem, so most people ignore it. But after a few hot sunny days, that sticky mess becomes much harder to remove, and if you scrub too hard, you can even leave tiny scratches in the paint. Here's a much easier solution. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the affected area. Let it sit for about 30 seconds before wiping again with a clean cloth. You'll notice the sap and tar begin lifting away without much effort. Finish by washing the area with car shampoo to remove any remaining residue. Instead of spending money on a special tar remover, you've solved the problem in just a few minutes. Sometimes the simplest tricks are the ones that save you the most money. But that's nothing compared to the next WD-40 trick, because it protects something you use every single day. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And trick number 9, keep door hinges moving smoothly. Have you ever opened your car door and heard a small squeak? At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal, so most people simply ignore it. But week after week, that quiet squeak slowly becomes louder, the hinge starts feeling rough, and one day your door no longer opens with that smooth, effortless movement it once had. Most drivers assume the hinge is wearing out, but that's usually not the real problem. In many cases, it's simply dirt, moisture, and old grime building up inside the moving parts. Left untreated, that moisture can eventually lead to surface rust, making the hinge work even harder every time you open the door. The good news is that fixing it is much easier than most people think. Open the door fully, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the hinge pivot points, then slowly open and close the door several times to help the lubricant work its way into every moving surface. Finally, wipe away any excess with a clean microfiber cloth. You'll often notice the difference immediately. The annoying squeak disappears, the door feels smoother, and the hinge moves like it did when the car was newer. It's a simple 1-minute habit that can help protect the metal from moisture and may save you from replacing worn door hardware later. But here's a question. When was the last time you actually looked at the black plastic trim around your mirrors or bumper? Most people walk past it every day without realizing it's one of the biggest reasons a car starts looking old. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And trick number 8, restore black plastic trim like a detailer. Take a walk around your car and look closely at the black plastic trim around the mirrors, bumper, windshield, or wheel arches. Does it still look rich and deep black, or has it slowly turned gray and faded? The change happens so gradually that most people never notice until they park next to a newer car. Sunlight, heat, rain, and road dust slowly dry out the plastic, making the entire vehicle look older, even if the paint is still shiny. That's why many drivers think they need expensive trim restoration products or even replacement parts. But here's a simple trick that many professional detailers use before handing a freshly detailed car back to its owner. After washing and completely drying the trim, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth, not directly onto the plastic, and gently wipe the surface using slow, even strokes. Within seconds, you'll see the faded plastic become darker, richer, and far more refreshed. It's one of those satisfying transformations where the difference is instantly visible. Here's something most people don't realize. When your black trim looks fresh, your entire car instantly looks newer because those small details completely change the first impression. While this isn't a permanent restoration, it's a quick and affordable way to improve your car's appearance without spending money on specialty products. Sometimes the smallest details create the biggest visual difference. But don't go anywhere, because the next WD-40 trick solves a problem almost every driver deals with. Yet very few people know the easiest way to fix it. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And trick number 7, white medium star stop rust before it starts around door latches and hood latches. Here's something most drivers never think about until it becomes a problem. Open your driver's door and take a look at the metal latch that locks every single time you close it. Then open the hood and check the hood latch as well. These small metal parts work every day without getting any attention, constantly exposed to rain, dust, road salt, and moisture. At first, everything feels perfectly normal, so most people never give them a second thought. But little by little, dirt begins to build up, moisture settles into the moving parts, and surface rust slowly starts forming. One day your door doesn't close as smoothly as before, or the hood latch begins feeling stiff, making you think something expensive is wearing out. In reality, most of the time it simply needs a little maintenance. Wipe away any dirt with a clean cloth, then spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the moving metal parts. Open and close the door several times, or move the hood latch by hand if it's open, allowing the lubricant to reach every moving surface. Finally, wipe away any excess. You'll usually notice the difference almost immediately. The latch feels smoother, the movement becomes effortless again, and the metal is better protected from moisture that can lead to rust. Here's something many mechanics quietly do during routine servicing. Whenever they notice a dry or rusty latch, they lubricate it before the customer even asks because they know replacing a damaged latch costs far more than maintaining one. Spending just 1 minute today could help those parts last for years. But don't go anywhere, because the next trick protects one of the most important parts under your hood, something many drivers completely ignore until the car refuses to start. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And trick number 6, protect battery terminals from corrosion. The next time you open your hood, take a close look at your battery terminals. Do you see white, blue, or green powder building up around the connections? Most people notice it but ignore it because the car still starts, so it doesn't seem like an urgent problem. Unfortunately, that's exactly how corrosion catches people off guard. As it slowly builds up, it restricts the flow of electricity between the battery and the vehicle. You may begin noticing slower engine starts, dimmer headlights, or random electrical issues that seem to appear without any warning. Before assuming the battery itself has failed, it's always worth checking the terminals first. After cleaning the terminals properly and making sure everything is completely dry, apply a light protective coat of WD-40 around the outside of the metal connections. You don't need much, just enough to help push away moisture and slow down future corrosion. It's one of those simple maintenance habits that experienced car owners rarely skip, because preventing corrosion is much easier than dealing with unexpected starting problems later. Think about it. When was the last time you actually looked at your battery? For most drivers, the answer is only after the car won't start. But the next WD-40 trick solves a problem you'll probably notice much more often, especially after every long highway drive. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And trick number 5, remove stubborn bug marks from the front of your car. After a long road trip, or even a few hours on the highway, take a close look at the front of your car. The bumper, grille, mirrors, and the front edge of the hood are usually covered with dried bug splatter. At first it doesn't seem like much, so many drivers leave it there until the next car wash. But after sitting under the hot sun for several days, those bug remains become surprisingly difficult to remove. Even worse, some insects leave behind acidic residue that can slowly damage your clear coat if it's left on the paint for too long. That's when many people make the mistake of scrubbing harder with rough brushes or aggressive sponges, creating tiny scratches that dull the finish. A much easier solution is to spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the affected area. Let it sit for about a minute and allow it to soften the dried residue before wiping again with light pressure. You'll actually see the stubborn bug marks begin lifting away far more easily than you might expect. Finish by washing the area with car shampoo to remove any remaining residue, and you'll be left with a cleaner front end and paint that's better protected. Instead of buying another specialty cleaner, you've solved the problem using something many drivers already have in the garage. And trust me, we've saved some of the smartest WD-40 tricks for last. The final section includes simple maintenance habits that many experienced mechanics never mention, but they can make a big difference in keeping your car in great condition for years to come. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And bring back the shine on chrome and metal parts. Take a slow walk around your car and look closely at the small metal details. The exhaust tip, chrome trim, door sill plates, and even the badges on the body all collect fingerprints, road grime, water spots, and dust every single day. The change happens so gradually that you rarely notice it until the metal starts looking dull and lifeless. That's when many people reach for expensive metal polish, thinking it's the only way to bring back the shine. But for light cleaning, there's a much simpler solution. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the metal surfaces. Then use a dry cloth to buff everything to a clean finish. You'll immediately notice fingerprints disappear, light grime lifts away with very little effort, and the metal begins reflecting light again. It's one of those small details that completely changes the overall appearance of your car, because while people may not notice every individual part, they always notice when the whole vehicle looks clean and well cared for. Sometimes it's the smallest finishing touches that make the biggest difference. But the next trick isn't just about appearance. It helps protect something that quietly wears out over time and can become surprisingly expensive to replace if it's ignored. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And protect rubber weather seals before they crack. Take a look around your doors, and you'll see thick rubber weather seals running all the way around the frame. These seals have an important job. They keep out rain, dust, wind, and road noise while helping your doors close tightly. Every single day they're exposed to sunlight, heat, cold weather, rain, and constant changes in temperature. Over time, they begin drying out, losing their flexibility, and sometimes even sticking to the door during winter mornings. Eventually, small cracks begin to appear, allowing water and air to find their way inside. Replacing weather seals can be surprisingly expensive, but preventing that damage is much easier. After cleaning the rubber with a damp cloth and allowing it to dry completely, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the seals, leaving only a light protective layer. There's no need to soak the rubber, just enough to help reduce moisture buildup and make it harder for dirt to stick. It only takes a few minutes, but simple maintenance like this can help keep the seals looking better and working properly for much longer. The best repairs are often the ones you never have to make because you prevented the problem before it started. And now we've reached the #1 trick, the easiest one in this video, yet it's something most car owners completely overlook. If these tips have already taught you something new, make sure you subscribe before you forget. We share simple car tips that help everyday drivers save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep their cars looking their best. And 1. Make future cleaning faster by protecting your front grille. Every time you drive, the front grille becomes the first part of your car to collect bugs, dust, road grime, and tiny bits of debris. Week after week, those small openings trap dirt that becomes harder and harder to remove, making every car wash take longer than it should. Most people don't think about the grille until they finally start cleaning the car, and by then the dirt has already dried into places that are difficult to reach. Instead of spending extra time scrubbing every little corner, there's a simple habit that can make future cleaning much easier. After washing and completely drying the grille, Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth and wipe a light, even layer across the plastic or painted surface. Avoid leaving heavy residue, just enough to create a thin protective coating. The next time you drive, many bugs and road dirt won't stick as easily, and when it's time for your next wash, the grime comes off with much less effort. That's one reason many professional detailers use simple protective treatments after cleaning a vehicle. They know that making the next wash easier helps keep a car looking cleaner all year round. Smart car maintenance isn't always about fixing problems after they happen. More often, it's about taking small preventive steps today that save you time, money, and effort tomorrow. OUTRO. Those were 10 hidden WD-40 car tricks that every driver should know. Some help keep your car looking newer. Some help protect important parts. And some can even help you avoid unnecessary repair bills with just a few minutes of simple maintenance. Now it's your turn. Which trick surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you learned even one new thing today, make sure you subscribe because every week we share simple car tips that help you save money, avoid costly mistakes, and keep your car in great condition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.